Tesla are offering £3,750 additional trade-in bonus if you buy either a new or inventory car before the end of March. But stocks are limited, so you're going to have to get a shift on. Let me tell you what's available. Hello again, YouTube, and welcome back to Just Get a Tesla. And yes, it's Ian's car buying advice time, because I have just got a Tesla twice now. This is my second one, and every time I've done so, I've always had a look at how much is it, what are the deals, is now the right time to buy? Well, if you want to trade in a car, now is the absolute right time to buy, because Tesla are giving you an extra nearly 4,000 quid if you trade a car in. But, and it is a big but, you have to take delivery before the end of March. If the car isn't going to be available to supply before the end of March, the deal is off. So, if you wanted to take some of Elon Musk's money, what's actually available? Well, to stop you having to go through the website, I've had a look at absolutely everything. So let me talk you through what in the UK you can buy from Tesla before the end of March to get an extra 3,750 quid off the deal. So we're going to start off with the Model 3. I'm going to go through this by trim level, and I'm going to tell you which colours and which options and so on are available. So bear with me. For the new rear-wheel drive, what was briefly called the Standard, the good news is you can have that in any colour you like. But there's only 3 of them, black, grey and white, with a black interior. But you can order one of those from new and get it delivered in time for the deal. If you want the long-range rear-wheel drive, so you're going up onto the premium interior, there are limited colours available. You can have grey and black. That's it. That's all they've got. All of the other colours are delivery in May or June. And that is only with a black interior. You cannot have a white interior and get it delivered before the end of March on the long-range rear-wheel drive trim level. They just haven't got any. If we move up to the long-range all-wheel drive, there aren't any available at all. If you want a new car, you're not going to be able to get one before the end of March. You won't get the extra money. But there are some inventory cars available. We'll come on to that in a minute. And then finally in the range, the Performance, the Model 3 Performance. There is more choice available here. You can have grey, black, white and silver, but blue and red, again, they're not available to order for delivery before the end of March. But if you order grey, black, white or silver, you can have a choice of black or white interior. Those are all available for delivery before the end of March. And even better, they're all on 0% finance in the UK. 0%. So trade your car in, get a good trading deal, because from my experience, Tesla's trading deals are pretty good. They then give you an extra 3,750 quid and 0% finance. It's a bit of a bargain. So run. But if you want a Model 3 and it's not one of the ones that I've just listed, there are some inventory vehicles available. So these are pre-configured, pre-built already vehicles that they want to shift. So for the long range rear-wheel drive, you can order blue, white, red and silver, the colours that they were not available for a factory delivery. And you can have a choice of a black or a white interior. So plenty of choice there. Unfortunately, the long range all-wheel drive, there aren't any, not brand new cars. There are some ex-demo cars available if you want people like me to have had a play at it first, but if you want a completely new car, there aren't actually any that you can order and get delivered before the end of March. And the other interesting point about Model 3 is Tesla are quite clearly still in transition with the specs of the car, because last October they started making Model 3s with the indicator stock again and the front camera. Some of the cars in inventory haven't got that. It does tell you on the website that it's got an indicator stock, and again, if it has an indicator stock, it has the front camera. The other way to tell if that doesn't bother you, is the supercharging offer, because the inventory vehicles which don't have the indicator stalk and the front camera come with at least 3 months of free supercharging, and some of them come with 12 months of free supercharging. So think about the deal. Trade your car in, get £3,750 added on top of your trade-in, get 0% finance, and get 12 months free supercharging. Bargain. There really are some bargains out there to be had. And from what I could see when I was having a look before coming and recording this, there is actually quite a bit of choice. Next, we move on to the Model Y. And this is a little bit simpler than the Model 3, mainly because there's not a lot of vehicles available. So for the formerly briefly standard Model Y, the one that's got a different front and a different rear and a different interior and a load of parts missing, for the standard range version of that, you can have that in black or white or grey, which are the colours available, or you can have the long range version of that again in black or white or grey, only with a black interior because they don't do anything else on that particular car. But plenty of choice, all of which can be delivered before the end of March to get your trade-in bonus. If we move on to the premium version of the car, and I've still not got used to the descriptions, but anyway, the normal Model Y. It's not very good for you if you want a Model Y, because the long-range rear-wheel drive, this is the premium version, there are none available in any colour before May or June. None available. If you want the all-wheel drive, there's none available in any colour before May. But if you want to go and spend a bit more money and get the performance, there is good news, because you can have grey or white or black or blue or silver or red with a black or a white interior. For anything else, you've got to go for the very basic trim levels, or there isn't actually anything. And if we go and look at inventory cars, because again, the inventory cars are open to this trade-in bonus, I can only find eight vehicles, Model Ys, that are brand new, that are premium, that are actually available to get. 8, which isn't very many. There are plenty of ex-demo cars, but again, if you want a brand new car, you're not going to be able to get your trade-in bonus. So, here's where we're at. £3,750 additional trade-in bonus if you order and get delivered a Tesla in the UK before the end of March with 0% finance as well. That's on new or inventory. There's plenty of choice in the Model 3, plenty of choice. Most of the colours are available, and if you can't get a brand new one from a factory order, then they've probably got one in inventory which is suitable to your needs. Model Y, not as good, bit of a problem. There's very few of them available. If you can snap up one of the inventory cars to the spec that you want, then fantastic. Otherwise, you're going to miss out. So, a little bit of buying advice. It's not a long video because, quite frankly, with the Model Y especially, there's not a lot of cars to talk about. This kind of finance deal, where it's 0% finance, is probably going to stick around for a while. But the trade-in bonus, that's the exciting bit. That is where you take Tesla's usually excellent trade-in value for your car and then spice it up a little bit. So, Model 3, let's be honest, if you can go out there and get a Model 3 that comes with free supercharging and comes with 0% finance and a whopping great big trade-in, you've got an absolute bargain. And genuinely, you should do, because it's a fantastic buy. Model 3, Model Y, you're going to have a whole load of fun. So, Ian's buying guide, it's the end of February, there's 1 month to go before Tesla stop giving away free money. If you can find a car that matches, now is the time to buy. So what are you waiting for? Stop watching me, go and have a look on the Tesla website, but please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon before you go, and I will see you back here very soon on Just Get a Tesla.